This video, I am going to talk about how can you write prompts into your Leonardo AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Leonardo AI application. And after opening Leonardo AI, you will just simply have to tap into image generation at very first. And after going into generate image, you can choose, first of all, you have to choose the style for your image. Just simply select any of the presets from this section. For example, I'm selecting illustrative albedo into here, and after that you can choose illustrations style into this section, such as minimalist, moody, none, portrait, and many more. For example, I'm creating an image for sketch and colorful sketch especially, and now into this section where I have my previous prompt, you just simply have to type your new prompt. Now, for example, I want to create a mountain and a girl walking with her dog. So if you want something like this image, obviously you would like something else, you just simply have to type that in a easily simplified sentence and then tap to this send button, which will use 13 of your tokens, and then your image will be generated after a while. Just simply wait for the image to be generated. And as you can see here, my image is successfully created depending on my prompt, and this way you can also do it. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.